Well, right now it's time to answer some of your legal questions, and for that we turn to Fox 26 senior legal analyst Chris Tritico. We're going to begin with a question from Danny, who writes, I was a customer of Wells Fargo in 2021. Recently, a class action lawsuit was finalized last August because the bank was engaged in fraudulent activities associated with customer accounts. I was not aware of the lawsuit at the time. What recourse do I have, if any, to make a claim if I was not part of that initial class action suit?
Danny, if you were a part of that class action, they would have notified you. Under the law, when you're a member of a class, the defendant, in this case Wells Fargo, would have been required to send you a notification that you were a member of that class. And so you would have gotten a card, an email, something in the form of a notification from Wells Fargo that says you were a member of a class action lawsuit. There's probably a web page that you can find that you can log on to and type in your information to determine if you were in fact a member of that class. So go on to your search engine, whatever you use, and search that Wells Fargo class action, and you can search your name right on that web page to find out if in fact you were a member of that class. If you were, then there's probably remedies that you can search right there to find out. If the statute of limitations has not expired, which I expect that it has, you can hire the lawyer of your choice and seek your own remedies on your own. Good luck.
Our next question comes from Tijuana, who writes, I paid my car off last October. Now the credit union is saying because there was a credit card that was charged, they are holding my title. The auto loan was a joint loan with my ex-husband, who applied for a credit card after I got the car. I never asked to be on or authorized the credit union to place me on the credit card account. They told me that I had no choice since we had the joint auto loan. Can they do this legally?
Unfortunately, they can. When you're married and you have when you're married, it's presumed that the accounts are joint accounts, and so they can hold that up. Now, because you got divorced, I'm going to assume that your divorce decree gave the car to you and the credit card to your ex-husband. You paid that auto loan off. Get a certified copy of your divorce decree and take that to the credit union and show them that divorce decree that gave the car loan to you and the credit card to your ex-husband, and show them that certified copy that says you have the sole possession of that car, and demand that they give you the title. That should clear it all up, and they should act with that certified copy of the divorce decree. That should clear it up. If it doesn't, get with your family law lawyer and have him write them a letter and demand that they do it. Good luck.
Our final question comes from Jackie, who writes, the state will not allow me to renew my driver's license because I don't currently have proof of U.S. citizenship. My naturalization certificate became lost before I was able to get my first U.S. passport. I explained that I am in the process of getting a replacement certificate. I showed the letter I received to get my biometrics done, but they told me they could not accept that to renew my license. It takes anywhere from 5 to 13 months to get my new paperwork. I found out I can apply for an occupational driver's license to be able to go to and from work. I cannot get a hearing before April. Is there a way to get it faster? Do I have any other options to renew my driver's license?
Jackie, thank you for asking me this question. This is a fairly new Texas law that everyone, when they renew their driver's license, has to prove that they are a resident, a United States citizen. And so my mom renewed her license recently, and she had to prove she was a United States citizen. And so everyone has to have this proof. If you are an immigrant to the United States, it's going to be particularly hard, as you just found out. So no is the answer to your question. There is not a way to get this done faster for you than what you're going through. You might hire the lawyer of your choice who will be able to navigate the court system faster than you can do it on your own. But April is probably as fast as anyone can get this done for you, to get an occupational driver's license for you. Notice to everyone, you're going to have to prove citizenship, and if you're an immigrant and you have immigration papers, do not lose them, because as Jackie just pointed out, Getting replacements is going to take a long time, and getting your driver's license is going to be a difficult problem. Good luck.
Very informative response there.
Thank you.
Now, if you would like to send us your legal questions, just go to our website, fox26houston.com. You can find Chris's segments under the Morning News tab. And as always, for any specific information and advice, you should contact an attorney of your choice.